If you are preparing for a bank exam, I want you to understand one thing. The journey is not supposed to be easy. There will be days when you study for hours, but your mock score doesn't improve. There will be topics you don't understand, questions you keep getting wrong, and moments when you start doubting yourself. All of this is a normal part of preparation. What matters is how you respond to it. Don't judge your preparation only by your marks. A mock test is not just a test, it is a tool that tells you where you are making mistakes. If your score is low, don't simply feel bad and move to the next test. Spend some time analyzing it. Find out whether the problem is speed, accuracy, concept, calculation, or time management. Every mistake you understand today is one less mistake you may make in the actual exam. The same applies to your study routine. You don't need to study 12 to 14 hours just because someone else is doing it. You need a routine that you can follow consistently. Set daily targets, divide your subjects properly, practice questions, revise regularly, and take mock tests. Even if you can give only a few highly focused hours every day, make these hours count. Consistency will take you much further than temporary motivation. And please, don't compare your journey with other aspirants. Someone may have started earlier, someone may have better guidance, and someone may clear an exam before you. That doesn't decide your future. Your job is to understand your own level and improve it. If you scored 55 today, your target should be to understand how you can reach 65, then 75, and eventually the scores required for selection. There will also be pressure from family, relatives, friends, and sometimes from yourself. People may ask, when will you get selected? Try not to let those questions control your preparation. You know the effort you are putting in. Instead of spending energy proving yourself to everyone, use that energy to improve your preparation. Your result will eventually answer every question. Remember why you started. For many aspirants, this exam is not only about getting a job. It is about becoming financially independent, supporting their family, giving their parents a better life, and earning a future that they can be proud of. Whenever preparation feels difficult, reconnect with that reason. Not to put pressure on yourself, but to remind yourself why this goal matters to you. At the same time, don't make preparation your entire identity. Sleep properly, take short breaks, eat well, and give your mind some time to recover. A tired mind cannot perform at its best. Taking a break is not wasting time if it helps you return with better focus. Discipline also means knowing when to rest and when to work. Most importantly, don't let one failed attempt define you. Competitive exams are difficult because thousands of capable people are competing for limited seats. Sometimes you can do everything right and still miss the cutoff by a small margin. It hurts, but it also gives you valuable information. If you decide to continue, use that experience to make your next attempt smarter than the previous one. One day, the preparation will end. You will sit in that exam hall with all the knowledge and practice you have collected over months. You will read the questions differently because you have seen similar problems hundreds of times. You will manage your time because you practiced it. You will stay calm because you trained yourself under pressure. And when that result finally comes, you will realize that the biggest achievement wasn't just clearing the exam. It was becoming someone who could stay focused when things were uncertain, continue when results were disappointing, and work without knowing exactly when success would come. So if you are preparing today, don't think about the entire journey at once. Focus on today's mock, finish today's targets, analyze today's mistakes, improve one weak area, then come back tomorrow and do it again. You don't need to know exactly when you will succeed. You just need to make sure that when your opportunity finally arrives, you are ready for it. Keep preparing, keep learning, keep improving. Your result will be decided on one day, but your selection will be built on every ordinary day before it. Thank you so much. Till then, signing off.